for attending my presentation. I am Dr. Rania Aboalela from King Abdulaziz University from Saudi Arabia, the Department of Information Systems. Today, I will talk about ChatGPT for generating questions and assessments based on accreditations. I will talk about the project idea, the benefit of ChatGPT, the importance of accreditations, the challenge to produce one assessment based on many accreditations, the method to align between two different accreditation, and the questionnaires. The project idea, I am trying to take the benefit of artificial intelligence for generating questions in high quality and accurate questions. So to do that, I have to follow some accreditation and requirements that allow provide the high quality assessments. I choose ChatGPT I allow the ChatGPT to generate questions instead of instructor, follow the instructor methods and create the questions based on the accreditations. What ChatGPT? Everybody know what is ChatGPT? Okay. ChatGPT is a sibling model to instruct GPT, which is trained to follow an instruction in a prompt and provide a detailed responses. ChatGPT act like a human, answer the questions and everything. And to provide high quality assessment, hello? To provide high quality assessment, I have to follow the accreditations requirement. The challenge here, there is some universities obtained not only one accreditations, but many accreditations. So the assessment should follow which accreditations to do the assessment. As example, in my university, King Abdulaziz University, in my program, information system program, we obtained the ABET accreditations. And now it's required from the government to obtain local accreditations, which is NCAAA. I got a key to align between the two accreditations that we can follow the requirement of two accreditations and we can obtain both of them. I found the relation between both of them and I act as I do the common instructions. Okay. What is the ChatGPT benefit? ChatGPT is free and easy to use, quickly synthesize information, makes broad connection due to its large database, save time by summarizing results from many sources, generates new content rather than simply listing existing resources. Responses are well written and easy to read. This is the benefit of ChatGPT. Okay, now what is the importance of accreditations? The accreditation increase the quality of the academic programs, which consequently increase the student enrollment and attract quality of the faculty. Okay, what if one program holds two academic accreditation? For sure, this it will be more attractive and attract enrollment of the students to the program. We obtain unified local and international accreditation to increase the efficiency of the program's outcomes. Now, 1 minute. Okay, what is the challenge now? As I told, the challenge is to produce one compatible assessment with two different accreditations. The question verb of the exam could be the same, but the structure of each accreditation is different. Each accreditation has instructions to follow, to ask the question by special verbs. Every assessment should include for each question special verbs. This could be common between two accreditation, but the different it will be the form and layout of the assessment and the cover page and something like this. There is no clear relation between different accreditations, but I found the solution to add the I use a compatible between local and international academic accreditation. Information system program was studied. The relationship has been found between the two academic accreditations. ChatGPT for generating questions based on the accreditation was studied. Okay. The example of two accreditations, we have ABET and NCAAA. The ABET is famous accreditations, academic accreditations. It's accreditation board for engineering and technology. And the NCAAA is National Center for Academic Accreditation of Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. A ChatGPT for generating question based on the two accreditation, which will be obtained. ABET concentrate on the action verbs, measure certain knowledge and disciplines of applied and natural science, computing, engineering, and engineering technology. NCAAA concentrate on action verb also, measure certain knowledge and specify. Here, the addition in NCAAA specify domains for classifying type of knowledge for all disciplines. Hello? If you want me, just talk, please.
Yeah, yep, it's audible.
Sorry, because,
Yeah, it's audible. You can continue.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. What is the similarity and differences? Both ask for special questions verb based on Bloom taxonomy to assess the knowledge of students. The form contents are same, but the form layout is different. Here is the NCAAA. It's student learning outcome plus the question verb plus the domain. Whereas ABET is student learning outcome plus question verb, and there is no special domains to recognize the exactly knowledge, but they concentrate in discipline at all. What is the Bloom taxonomy? The Bloom taxonomy is a system of hierarchical models arranged in a rank with some elements at the bottom and some at the top, used to categorize learning objectives into varying level of complexity. This is created by Bloom in 1956. Here is the hierarchical of Bloom taxonomy. It starts from, consists of 6 levels, start from the bottom to the high, whereas the bottom level is the less complexity of knowledge, and the high, at the top of the hierarchical, it is the most complexity. The lower level is for knowledge of recall and remembering. The second one, understanding. The third one, which is applying. Fourth is analyzing, and fifth is evaluating, and sixth is creating. So this is the key here in the, we will take it from the Bloom taxonomy, as I told here. So I tried to find the relation between the domains of NCAAA with the level, the verb levels of Bloom taxonomy. So I found NCAAA contain of 3 domains, knowledge domain and skills domain and value domain. This is 3 domains required by NCAA accreditations. So I divide, I map between the 3 domains of NCAA to the ABET. So I have here the lower level in NCAA, which is knowledge domain, is coming to understanding and remembering, which they are the lowers, first level and second level in Bloom taxonomy. And the second domain of NCAA, which is skills, and I map it with the third and 4 and 5 and 6 level, which is applying, analyze, and evaluate and creating. So I found the mapping now. Now, how about the third domain in NCAA? The third domain, which is value domain. 1 minute. Okay. The value domain, there is no value domain in Bloom taxonomy. What is the value domain? The value domain, it concern about the ethics and moral and cooperation and perfection and integrity of the students or the human. So the value domain, this will find the solution how we can map with the ABET. It depends on the question verb. Now I will talk about the ABET learning outcomes. ABET includes 6 learning outcomes for the information systems programs and for the technology programs and computer science programs. Now I will talk about these 6 levels. We have the first student learning outcome, which is analyze a complex computing problem and apply principle of computing and other relevant discipline. Okay, 1 minute. I want to find the, if I can, there is no, okay. There is no bin that I can, okay, خلاص. Okay, so analyzing the first. Okay, analyze the complex computing problem to apply computing and other relevant discipline. Okay. Oh, no. Did you see my mouse now?
Yeah, yes.
Yes, okay. So the first student learning outcome, which is analyze a complex computing problem and apply principles of computing and other relevant disciplines to identify solution. This is student learning outcome number 1 in ABET, and it's third level in Bloom taxonomy as I map it, which is apply. And second student learning outcome, which is design, implement, and evaluate and computing-based solution to meet a given set of computing requirement in the context of the program's discipline. The student learning outcome 2 of ABET, and level 5 and 4 and 5 and 6 in Bloom taxonomy. And third student learning outcome, which is communicate effectively in variety of professional, and it's to map it with NCAA. There is no no special map, but we have, it depends on the special verb that in Bloom taxonomy that asks, and what's the target of these questions. The question what ask about what's the target of this question, so we can know which level it will be. And it could be the value domain. This is about the value domain. Like, because it is in ABET, it communicate effectively, and this is value. It depends in the response, in the person. Okay. Number 4, student learning outcome of ABET: recognize professional responsibilities and make informed judgment in computing, practice based on legal and ethical principles. Also is correspond to special verb in Bloom taxonomy based on the target of the asked question and the value domain verb in NCAAA. This is value domain because it recognized professional responsibilities. Number 5, student learning outcome of ABET is function effectively, is a number leader of term specials and it's value domain in effective learning. Number 6 is support the delivery, used and management information system is an information system. It's understanding level of Bloom taxonomy and skill domain in NCAAA. Now here is the map. The table is shows the map between the three, the ABET student learning outcome, and NCAAA domain and Bloom taxonomy levels. Here is the summarize of the mapping. And here is the question verb for each level of Bloom taxonomy and ABET student learning outcome. Did you see? There is for each student learning outcome special verb. In ABET, if you ask question, ask about level 2, right? Like if you want to ask about level 2 here, creating and right, if start the question with evaluate, this is not acceptable. It should be special verb asked for each student learning outcome. So this is the key, and this is the verb also asked by NCAAA, but not NCAAA not do it in the each level. So we can found here the key to start each question with the same action verb from this table. Okay. Here is the same for the rest of the level, student learning 4 and 5 and 6. And here the implementation example. Okay, now I have the example of course of web design and development course, which is from the Department of Information System at the university, King Abdulaziz University, and in the College of Computing and Information Technology. The course satisfies 3 student outcome of ABET, which is student outcome 6 and 4 and 2. Because we already obtained ABET in our program, information system, we have this 3 levels of 3 student learning outcome from ABET. So we have to ask for each level questions for each course. The instructor asks the application. Now, if we create ChatGPT special for the information system program and follow the requirements of NCAAA and ABET, so we ask the program from the subject of web design and ask from specific chapter maybe. For example, a topic of HTML that achieves student outcome 6.2, 6.2 student outcome 4.1 and 2.2. This is from the ABET. So questions that ask about the HTML topic specify asking to write a code like this. Write a code shows the output of 7 lines on the screen. The verb write is in the list of major verbs relevant to ABET, student learning outcome 2.1 in ABET, which is an ability to design a computer-based system, process, component, or program meet desired need. So this is the verb, and this is the outcome, learning outcome. This verb related to Bloom taxonomy level 6 domain, which is creating, which is considered as skills based on CAAA. So it's in skills level domain in CAAA and creating level in Bloom taxonomy. In other words, the verb write is compatible with the verb of ABET learning outcome 6.2, which is correspond to Bloom taxonomy level 6 creating, which is a term of skill domain according to NCAAA accreditation domains. So accordingly, with the questions that comply with the term of accreditation as a question of the student's outcome, to similarity for the rest of the student outcome, the same. It will be the same. Instead of creating the question by the instructor, the application uses ChatGPT, creates the questions will be innovative, varied, and in line with the course objective. In addition, it would be saving the time. Yes, it will be save the time for sure. And it will be save the time of instructor, and also this application could be correct the questions that built by the instructor. Now I do the questionnaire to know the classification, the agreement of the instructors, if they allow application to create the question instead of them. I ask 2 questions. Do you support the use of ChatGPT technology to produce assessment question and test? And the second question, do you support to use ChatGPT technology in assessing the conducting test, error correction, and guidance in compliance with the requirement and accreditations? This is 2 questions was in the survey. And it was distributed in Saudi universities in values, courage, and measure. And I asked this question, and for the question number 1, do you support using ChatGPT to produce assessment? There is no 15% and yes 85%. And for the second question, to edit or correct, there is 98 agreement and 2% not agree. The participation was 120%. And here the conclusion, a novel method was presented to produce questions that measure the learning outcome of single courses using the ChatGPT technology. A method was found to link verbs that are conditioned in the NCAAA accreditation and the ABET accreditation to measure the educational outcome of the students, the compatibility of these questions with the requirements of different academic accreditation. So the application will be created in the future. And if you have any questions, I am welcome to ask me. Thank you.